रेपो रेट अपरिवर्तित रखिला आरबीआई। रेपो रेट 4% और रिवर्स रेपो रेट 3.35% रही। भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक रो मुद्रानीति कमिटी बैठक पर यह सूचना देछंती आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास। सोमवार ठारू आरंभ होइतिला भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक रो मुद्रानीति कमिटी बैठक।
With a view to encouraging farm credit to individual farmers against pledge hypothecation of agricultural produce, it has been decided to enhance the loan limit under priority sector lending from rupees 50 lakh to rupees 75 lakh per borrower against pledge or hypothecation of agricultural produce backed by negotiable warehouse receipts as well as electronic negotiable warehouse receipts issued by warehouses registered with the Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority. Other warehouse receipts, for other warehouse receipts, the loan limit for classification under PSL will continue to be rupees 50 lakh per borrower. Financial Inclusion Index. Financial inclusion has been a thrust area for the government, the Reserve Bank and other regulators, with significant progress made under this approach over the years. To measure the extent of financial inclusion in the country, the Reserve Bank proposes to construct and publish a Financial Inclusion Index, FI index, based on multiple parameters. This will be published in July every year for the financial year ending previous March. Next, I turn to centralized payment systems, that is we are extending the facility, membership under centralized payment systems, that is RTGS and NEFT, to entities other than banks. Let me elaborate. Membership to the RBI operated centralized payment systems, that is RTGS and NEFT, is currently limited to banks with a few exceptions. It is now proposed to enable non-bank payment system operators like prepaid payment instruments, that is PPI issuers, card networks, white label ATM operators and trades platforms regulated by the Reserve Bank to take direct membership in RTGS and NEFT.